So what's going on, everyone? Today's the 1st of November 2023. Here to talk about Polygon real quick, or MATIC, to try to see if the market's going to break above this very key area of resistance. You guys can tell off of the price chart that the market in Polygon MATIC has attempted over the last couple of trading days to do just that, to break above resistance around 65 cents. And it's been having issues, but it's not a negative aspect of it just yet, because those buyers into the market in Polygon MATIC is still there. They're still trying to do it. So we're going to try to figure out today if the market will be successful in breaking above 65 cents, because if it will, then that would be our continual price prediction would be for Polygon to continue to go higher. Okay, you guys can see on our last video, which was right there on 20th October, we were looking for the market Polygon to go higher. It did just that, 7.88% on the 22nd of October. We're together the market right now. We will be up 15.25%. Okay. So let's talk about this real quick, because currently the market is still stable, even though it's been having issues trying to break above 65 cents of resistance. This area right here is also confirming that those buyers are still around. Okay. Right there around, I would say 61 cents, 62 cents, and even down here on our prior area of resistance of 60 cents. Those two areas needs to be maintained. The buyers cannot leave those price levels, because if they do, then this area of resistance around 65, 66 cents, it won't happen. Everything is going to be dependent on these buyers who currently has been holding price in Polygon. Take a look at this on the 2-day time frame. Extending this resistance area all the way back here to August 7, 2023. That's where the problem is. Okay. So if anything, this will be a minimal trading channel for Polygon MATIC right here. One of these lines will break eventually. Which one looks likely to break? Pay attention to the volume that it came in on this 2-day price bar right here. A lot of volume came in the last 2 days, and look at how the price bar concluded. It's a great war going on between the buyers and the sellers, just that simple. And neither one of them had actually won out on the last 2 days, but this 2-day price bar, the buyers won out. This 2-day price bar, the sellers won, as well as on this one. So currently, when you put this all together as a collective, it looks like those sellers currently have a slight edge in the market over the buyers. Take a look at this on the 3-day time frame as well. Outside of this 3-day price bar, the rest of these three-day price bars definitely resembles that the market currently is a little bit more weaker than it is strength. So I would say in the next day and 14 hours on the conclusion of this 3-day price bar, if the market in Polygon closes on the low of this 3-day price bar, then definitely the market is still weak. That's what it's reflecting as of this particular recording. 5-day chart. Okay, we have 13 hours and 9 minutes currently in Polygon on this current 5-day price bar. And that's not bullish right there. The prior 5 days, again, it's not bullish. And with this high volume from the prior 5 days, again, there's definitely a lot more selling going on into the market Polygon. So if you're a buyer in the market Polygon, just keep your guard up, because these sellers are being very reluctant into leaving. They're definitely hitting the market and letting the price show weakness. Look at this on the monthly time frame. So on the monthly perspective, it doesn't look that bad. From a monthly perspective, the market in Polygon actually closed up there towards the high of the bar. So this may just be a small spat to where price in Polygon shows weakness, and as we go throughout the rest of November, those buyers will continue to hold the price, and price will continue to elevate higher. Because that monthly price bar, it doesn't look bad at all. Okay. Real quick, look at this on the hourly chart. And I think you guys can see how the weakness currently is still here in Polygon. The market was unable to capitalize off this last move higher. Sellers hit the market here on this 1-hour price bar, and look at the result. We're still seeing weakness there. 7-hour chart real quick. Okay. We need to see the market hold. It's just that simple. And by us not knowing, just kind of got to wait and see. I would say in between 61.5 cents all the way down to 60 is where I would want to see the market buyers hold. Okay. So let me see this on a 13-hour chart. Okay. So yeah, I think from this perspective, we would have to say that the market currently is weak. Now, By me saying that, I'm just simply stating that the sellers have a slight edge against the buyers. That's it. Now, I'm not saying that the market's going to crash, that it's going to go extremely lower, but I do recognize that the market currently is weak, and we need to acknowledge that. And I will say, as long as Polygon's price doesn't break below 61.5 cents or even 60, the market is still maintaining its bullishness on the longer term charts, i.e. the monthly chart, maybe even the weekly time frames. So let's just see if it's worth us dropping a price prediction into the market in Polygon to see the market go lower from where the price currently is. So that's about 1 3/4% move lower. And here's the second, would be around almost 4% move to the downside. That's cool. But considering that it's uncertain as to, okay, whether or not those buyers will hold these levels, just something to be aware of. Okay, so I'm going to do that. It's going to be a very small area. Nothing to be too bullish over, nothing to be too bearish over. I just want to see how weak the market will be in Polygon. So let me extend this line there. We're going to continue to look forward to this area to be maintained as support. If it doesn't, then we definitely know that the market is not bullish. We definitely know that the market won't be able to break resistance above 65 cents. That's the catalyst that needs to occur from the market buyers. And currently, we're going to see whether or not they're determined to actually break Polygon above 65 cents. Okay, so now let me clean up this just a little bit, because our attention is going to be right here in this area, and we'll see how those buyers do. I'm done. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Let me know. Do you think the buyers will hold this area 61.5 cents to 60 cents? I think it will be a quick answer. Maybe today, maybe tomorrow. We'll get that answer as to whether or not those buyers were successful at that. But give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.